So I'm not sure if you watched my other video. It was about a trail camera. I messaged them and was talking to them, and they replaced my trail cam that broke down within a year. Such a great company. So I looked to see what else they were selling. One of their things that they sell is a dash cam. When you find a good company that stands behind their product and they replace stuff that breaks down, or they talk to you, or even have a customer service printed on their box. It's on their box, let's see. Right there, look at that. That's pretty crazy. Most of the times you can't even find a contact. I don't know if you've done this before or look for things, but it's just hard sometimes just to find anything. Any kind of contact information, especially when you get stuff through Amazon. But NQJ, they sent me this dash cam. Not bad. It's a 4K dash camera. It's got a dual band. It's got a front 4K. Then it's got rear camera. I'll show you when I open it. And that is the rear 2K camera. Oh, it's Fuji. That's awesome. It says that kind of film or whatever. I guess not Fuji. I read that completely wrong. But it's got 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi and has app control, which is pretty awesome. Advanced night vision. The aperture is f1.6. Not sure if you know this, but the lower the aperture, the better the night vision it is. 1.6 is a pretty darn good night vision. It goes right now on Amazon for $49.99, and the regular price is $79.95. So get that before the price goes up, if you can find it. Anyways, show you what's in the box. Here's your user manual that I'm bad at reading sometimes. Oh, this guy's tiny, huh? Look at that. That puppy open. That's kind of discreet, huh? So sometimes you get these cameras and they're huge. Look how small that is. That's my hand. It's pretty small, but it's pretty cool. See, clip that right into your window or whatever. It sits out there. So that's the one. See what else we get in this box. Oops, dropping things on the floor. Get your pry bar. Love it. Got your cords in here. It's always fun fumbling through packaging, right? More glue things. That's the rear camera. I always like these things. They're pretty cool. You hit them in the back or whatever. It's able to video. And then there is your power cord. Goes right to your cigarette lighter. Open the puppy up. Cigarette lighter with a USB-C connector. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Look, this is what I look for all the time. Who gives you what cards? There's your micro SD. Oh, my fingers are too big. Let's try to show off. Yeah, so I love when they send you the SD cards. Pop that right back in there. Some companies do, some companies don't. You always got to read the box and see what it is. Hope I don't have that in the wrong way. It's always fun. That was the right way. That's the one thing about micro SD cards. Sometimes you got these big fingers and everything, and it makes it fun. So remove this lens protector. Maybe. We got big fingers. Definitely not surgeon's hands right here. Pull that puppy off. Pull this guy off. Oh, that's the screen. That's pretty cool. So this should be interesting, right? So for this camera, it's, like I said, only 50 bucks. Can't go too wrong. Company again is NQJ Direct. And this is the DC06 Dash Cam. I'm going to put that in my car and show you how things go. Anyways, I plugged it in. I even plugged this secondary camera right here. I didn't set it up yet. I'll show you guys the video quality later or whatever. But it's pretty cool. Wherever this thing's positioned, it shows on that second side right there. Of course, there we go. Focused in. That's such a nice little small camera. It fits perfectly right there. But I'm going to just take a small ride, and I wanted to show you guys the video quality. Where should I put this so you guys can get a good view? Here's my house. Guess that'd be right side up. Look at all the snow. Good old snow in Pennsylvania, I love it. Anyways, that's not what this is about. There you go. A little bit of view. Anyways, we're just gonna take a small cruise. I just want you guys to see the video quality of this puppy. I'll post the video of this on there. Bet that thing just slid. Anyways, welcome to the snow of Pennsylvania. So like, you're driving along, right? You get into a car cracks, dispute about whose fault it is. You got a dash cam, and you got the other one. So it could be whatever view you want. It could be the side, it could be the back. Most people are gonna put it in the back, right? Anyways, you can put it wherever you want. So that's kind of cool, right? Multiple angles with this puppy. And it's all recording right now. I had another camera, dash cam, back when. Didn't have a rear camera, just had the front. So anything that happened in the back, nobody sees. Keeps everything all nice, right? So you can actually put it wherever you want it. It's separate from the camera. So like I said, it's easier to position and maintain. I'll give you guys a night shot too tonight. I'll keep this camera on for tonight. I'm gonna go pick my daughter up from work. And we wanna see what the quality is in the night shot, right? Snow-covered driveway. But that's the little ride right there I took just to show you guys the quality and everything. I'll show you what it looks like from outside too real quick. Again, you can mount that wherever you want. It's got a hinge on it too, right? So even if you have it wrong, you slide it back and forth. Take it whichever way you want. I'm not good at mounting it right. It's probably nice and crooked. Alright, let me get out. Look how small it is. Barely see it. It's kind of cool. Again, you can put that wherever you want. So, let you guys see nice shots too tonight. I'll post the video of this on there. Bet that thing just slid. Anyways, welcome to the snow of Pennsylvania. So like, you're driving along, right? You get into a car cracks, dispute about whose fault it is. You got a dash cam, and you got the other one. So it could be whatever view you want. It could be the side, it could be the back. Most people are gonna put it in the back, right? Anyways, you can put it wherever you want. So that's kind of cool, right? Multiple angles with this puppy. And it's all recording right now. I had another camera, dash cam, back when. Didn't have a rear camera, just had the front. So anything that happened in the back, nobody sees. Keeps everything all nice, right? So you can actually put it wherever you want it. Very adorable. Let's see where I'm gonna put that. Anyways. Not sure if the trail cam gives any sound or anything, but this is my night video for you guys to see. What the F?